before. Blue and gold in a fractured tide, building worlds with a patient stride. Siamese fish in a puzzle of dreams, breaking apart at the puzzle seams. Fit them together in a dance of night, glinting scales in the soft moonlight. Edges sharp like a fin's soft edge, colors weaving like a painter's pledge. Hands create what the mind can't see, a quiet storm of serenity. The water swirls in a cardboard sea, every piece holds a mystery.